Hey Mike, just wanted to show you the progress. Yesterday you and I were standing right over there by that pole. And where we were standing, that water's about 3 foot deep. There's the stop, there's the lights that we were standing by. So it's not rushing as quick as it was, or maybe it still is coming in, I don't know. But it ran down that road and now it's turned the entire golf course. There's the green that we were standing next to yesterday. Not much of it above water, but the entire golf course now is a water hazard. And you can see it's gotten quite a bit deeper onto that bathroom shed over there. But yeah, I don't know that them trucks would be wanting to go down there today where it looks like it was, running swift. I don't know, look at all that. It's probably, see all that? It's probably still running in here. Might be getting deeper as we speak, man. But man, it's the park and the golf course. All underwater, man. And I had to walk all the way down here from the entrance to my neighborhood because they ain't letting nobody drive down here anymore. Because I guess it's just getting deeper and deeper, man. But man, there's your Houston flood update. Hope you guys made it back okay. I'll talk to you later, Chief. Bye.